All right, so let us talk on the question on how you can find the speed of light. So, diamond has a refractive index of 2.4. The speed of light in a vacuum or air is what? Is 300,000 kilometers what per second. So the first question is saying calculate the speed of light. So how do you calculate the speed of light? What formula are you supposed to use to find the speed of light? Alright, so to find the speed of light, you use a formula. You say that the speed of light, you say V, okay? So you say V is equals to what? Is equals to C over N. So what you need to know what V is. V, it is the speed of light. The speed of light. So V is the speed of light traveling. Okay, so traveling in a material. V is the speed of light that is traveling. Then C, we say C, it is the speed of light in a vacuum. Speed of light in a vacuum. Okay, speed of light in a vacuum. And N is a refractive index. The refractive index. So V, it is the speed of light that is traveling. It is usually given mostly. And C, it is also given sometimes the speed of light in a vacuum. It is usually given. And N is a refractive index. So let us check the question. The formula of said that it is V, we say V, the speed of light that is traveling is equals to the speed of light in a vacuum. Okay, in a vacuum or material over the refractive index. So if we try to put data here, we'll say data. Okay, do we have V? Do we have C? And do we have N? V is the speed of light traveling. C, the speed of light in a vacuum. N is the refractive index. So if we check the question, diamond has a refractive index 2.42. So the refractive index we have 2.42. Okay, the speed of light in a vacuum is, so the speed of light in a vacuum, speed of light in a vacuum, C we have, it is 300,000 like this kilometers per second. So the speed of light in a vacuum we have. So now the first question is saying, what is the speed of light in diamond? So the speed of light traveling in material. So what is the speed of light in diamond? They want the value for V. So you say V is equals to what is the speed of light? It in a vacuum, 300,000 like this. Okay, meters per second over what is the refractive index here? The refractive index is 2.42. So meaning our speed of light, you say, you go on your calculator, you say, okay, 300,000 over, okay, 2.42. You say 2.42. All right, so you get this as your answer. So the speed of light, it will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, 966. All right, 0.9421. So this is kilometers per second. Okay, this is the speed of light. So this is what you need to know on how to find the speed of light when you talk about the formula. Okay, and the last thing, the critical angle. How do you find the critical angle? Critical angle, which is the simplest thing. So critical angle is equals to sine inverse 1 over n, like this. So our sine inverse 1 over n is the one that the refractive index 2.42. So a critical angle will be equals to, you go on your calculator, you say shift sine, give you sine inverse. Okay, shift and sine, give you sine inverse. you open the brackets, 1 over 2.42, you close them. Okay, so your answer here, it will give you 24.4. This is a critical angle.